Everyone, so today I wanted to talk about this boom in my shop that allows my dust collector hose to go all the way to the center of the shop. The center of the shop is where I have my drum sander and my planer. They get attached with the 4-inch quick connect and they all feed into my Harbor Freight dust collector with a PowerTech upgraded bag. This bag has a lower micron value, so it filters more of the small particles. But this boom, I saw a YouTube video, I have no idea where. It's just basically a couple of pieces with large hinges, and that allows back and forth and twisting motion. So I can actually, I've got it zip tied right here, stationary, but when it's not zip tied, I can go all over the shop with that boom section in this half of the shop. Hope that helps somebody. Let me know if you have any questions. I can take some measurements, but it's pretty simple design. You just want to make sure I'm attaching to a stud which has 4-inch screws that attach to a stud on this OSB wall. So let me know if you have any questions. It works really well. I've also got a Y coming off here, so that if I want to suck in dust on my dust collector, when I'm on my lathe, that I can use that. But most of the time I leave this open, this blast gate open, for my drum sander and planer, and that's a game changer to get all the dust in that bag instead of in your lungs in your shop. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.